welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are well. Today's video is going to be on this gorgeous soft brown smoky eye. Super easy, perfect for date night, Valentine's Day, any other occasion that you have, it's perfect. So I'm going to very briefly go through the skin. You guys can let me know if you actually enjoy watching this process in my videos, and I can include it next time. But just let me know, and maybe what I'll do is I'll put the full version on my Instagram, which is on the screen. And yeah, but for now it's just going to go through this process really quickly, and then we're going to just move on to the eye makeup and all that good stuff. Okay. Alright, so let's begin. I'm starting off by priming my eyelids with some concealer. This is the MAC Studio Fix Concealer in the shade NC40. So this is a super easy way to achieve a smoky eye. I'm going to use my face powder that I use to set my contoured areas, and I'm using that as the transition color. So I'm just placing it in my crease. Using a fluffy brush, I'm just going to be blending that out, and as you can see, I'm using a windshield wiper motion to really just blend it out and give it like a very washed out diffused finish. And like I said, this is going to be the transition color for all the other colors that will go afterwards. Now I'm using this palette from Morphe, and I'm using the color I was pointing at, and as you can see, I'm using the same brush, but I'm just packing on the color now on my eyelid. So this is just to really build on that color and to give me a very good color payoff. And as you can see, this brown is not too dark as well, because we're still going to go in with a darker brown afterwards. But I really want to go from, you know, lightest to medium to dark, and basically create a gradient, if that makes sense. And this will make your blending a lot easier and make the smoky eye just come out very nice and soft. Okay. Now I'm still using the same color. I'm just going to take it just a little bit higher up into the crease, and like I said, because we already applied that base or that transition color underneath, it's going to still blend out really nicely as we proceed to take the colors upwards towards the brow bone. Okay, so I'm just packing on the same color that I used previously, so the second medium tone. Okay, now I'm using a different brush. As you can see, this is a fluffier brush, and I'm taking this orange shade from this eyeshadow palette, and just a very small amount, and this is just going to give that warm, fiery blend kind of on the edges or the outer corners of the smoky eye. And yeah, now I'm using a really flat brush, and I'm grabbing onto the dark brown mixed with the black eyeshadow in the palette, and I'm just using that to basically create a wing liner on my eyes. And I'm really making it thin and focusing mainly closer to the lash line, because I just really want to add just a little bit more drama to the lash line, make it look a bit more fuller, and just give me that lifted winged eye effect, if that makes sense. I'm blending everything out with the same brush I used previously. Now I'm using this mascara from Essence. I do not remember the name, but it's really good, from the drugstore. And you just want to coat your lashes, and then I'm going to just brush off any fallout using my loose powder. And yeah, so just clean up the under eye area. Now using a setting spray, this is the Mario Badescu setting spray, and I'm just going to douse my whole face in it and then just basically fan my face to make sure everything dries nicely. So I've showed you guys this trick before. So after setting your face with setting spray, go back in with your under eye powder and just apply like another layer of powder, and your under eye will be so smooth. Oh my gosh, thank me later. Now we're going to move on to blusher, and I'm using the Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Palette. I'm using the orange color. Absolutely love this color. Whenever I'm doing anything that's to do with warm tones or browns, I just go for the orange blush. But yeah, anyways, as you can see, I have put on my lashes and my liner in my waterline, all that good stuff. The eyes are done. But I'm using this gorgeous highlight from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Amrezy highlight. I absolutely love it. And I'm just going to be applying that to my temples, high points of my cheekbones, and all that good stuff. I'm also going to apply a little bit on the tip of my nose in a second. But yeah, so it's a gorgeous highlight. Check it out. Well, I don't know if they still have it, but it's really, really nice. And I just actually got into it. I've had it for so long, but I just never used it. But yeah. Anyways. Taking off the lip balm I had on, and then I'm just going to be using my Kiss New York brown lip pencil. I love this lip pencil. Guys, I went back to the beauty supply store to find more, and I couldn't find it again. And I only got one. I'm so upset, but hopefully I find it when they open up the stores again from lockdown. But yeah, anyways, for lipstick, I'm using my concealer as usual to give me like the perfect nude color. And now I'm using the Nicka K clear lip gloss that I also get from the beauty supply store over everything. And my goodness, this is like my favorite nude lip combo. This Nicka K gloss is so gorgeous. I just go back in with the liner again just to add some more definition, but this is it, guys. This is the finished look. It's so simple, very quick, and beginner friendly for sure. So whatever you decide to wear this look for, Valentine's Day, date nights, whatever it is, I hope you have an amazing time. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. See you all in my next video. Bye.